class 10th important problem from trigonometry. So it is LHS. If you take sin power 6a plus cos power 6a equals, we need to prove 1 minus 3 sin square a cos square a. So write the identity in terms of sin, like sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So here this one you can change it like sin square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, see we have like two formulas, a cube plus b cube, which we learnt in 9th. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Another formula is a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. See, for this problem, if you see the solution, you need here 3. So use the second formula. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube. A is sin square a and b is cos square a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, 3 sin square a cos square a into sin square a plus cos square a. So see, sin square a plus cos square a, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 cube minus 3 sin square a into cos square a into sin square plus cos square is 1. So 1 cube is 1 minus 3 sin square a into cos square a. Important problem from trigonometry. Prove sin power 4a minus cos power 4a equals sin square a minus cos square a equals 2 sin square a minus 1, and that equals 1 minus 2 sin square a. So take LHS here. Sin power 4a minus cos power 4a. So it is in terms of sin and cos, so the identity will be like sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. And also first step, I'll write this sin power 4a as like sin square a whole square minus cos square a whole square. It is in the form of like a square minus b square. So you can write as a plus b into a minus b. So the next step will be sin square a plus cos square a plus b into a minus b, sin square a minus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So this value is like 1. So 1 into sin square a minus cos square a. Sin square a minus cos square a. See, you got this answer. Now you need to get only in terms of sin. So here you want only sin. So this cos theta, you can write cos square as 1 minus sin square. So this is the first answer. So sin square a minus cos square a. So sin square a minus this cos square a, you can write as 1 minus sin square a, because cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So here sin square a minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square a, and sin square it is 2 sin square a minus 1. Now if you take this again, this one, sin square a minus cos square a. See, now you need only in terms of cos. This is another answer. So you need only in terms of cos. So sin square you can change as 1 minus cos square. So sin square a you can write as like 1 minus cos square a, and here it is cos square a. So minus cos square is 1 minus 2 cos square a. So in this way we got sin power 4a minus cos power 4a is sin square a minus cos square a, and 2 sin square a minus 1 is here, and 1 minus 2 cos square a. Class 10th important problem from trigonometry. Prove sin power 4a plus cos power 4a equals 1 minus 2 sin square a cos square a. So here see, the problem is based in in terms of sine and cos. So sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So, and one more. So take LHS. Sine power 4a plus cos power 4a. So this step I can write as sine square a whole square plus cos square a whole square. Now it is in the form of like a square plus b square. So a square plus b square formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Because see here this formula I got from here, like a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is a square plus b square? A square plus b square equals a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So I'll use this formula here. A square plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here in place of a I have sine square. So a plus b whole square. So sine square a and b is cos square a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A is sine square a, b is cos square a. So now here sine square a plus cos square a is 1 minus 2 sine square a cos square a. So we got the required solution. Last problem from like trigonometry. So prove cot power 4a minus 1 equals cosec power 4a minus 2 cosec square a. So here cot and cosec we have identity. So this problem is completely based on like cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Now take LHS, that is cot power 4a minus 1. So you can write this as like cot square a whole square minus 1, you can write as 1 square. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So from here, see what is cot square theta? Cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. So in place of cot square write cosec square minus 1. So here cosec square a minus 1 plus 1. Here cosec square a minus 1. For cot square I am writing cosec square a minus 1 and again minus 1 is. So next minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Here it is cosec square a. Here cosec square a minus 1 is minus 2. Now cosec square a into cosec square a, you will get like cosec power 4a minus cosec square into 2 is 2 cosec square a. So you got the answer. Class 10 problem from trigonometry. Prove second power 4a minus secant square a equals tan power 4a plus tan square a. So problem is in terms of secant tan. So use the identity, that is like secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Now take LHS like here. That is secant power 4a minus secant square a. Now in these two terms, if I take sec theta common, like secant square a common, I will be left with like secant square a minus 1. So from here, what is secant square theta? Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So here it will become 1 plus tan square a. So and secant square a is nothing but 1 plus tan square a minus 1, or directly you can write secant square minus 1 is tan square. 1 minus 1 cancel. So 1 plus tan square a into tan square a. So if you multiply tan square a into 1 is tan square a plus tan square into tan square is tan power 4a. So tan square a plus tan power 4a, that's the required answer. Or you can write tan power 4a plus tan square a. Class 10 problem from trigonometry. True, cos power 4a minus cos square a equals sin power 4a minus sin square a. So here, to solve this problem, you need to know one identity, that is like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So now if you take LHS, like cos power 4a minus cos square a. So here cos power 4a, you can take from these two terms, you can take cos square a common. So you will be left with cos square a minus 1. Cos square a minus 1. So here cos square a, because as you need in terms of sign, so change it. So cos square a will be 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. So here also substitute the same. Cos square a will be 1 minus sin square a minus 1. So here 1 minus 1 cancel. So 1 minus sin square a into minus sin square a. So 1 into minus sin square a is minus sin square a, minus into minus plus sin square a into sin square a, you will get like sin power 4a. So sin power 4a minus sin square a. Last time, problem from trigonometry. If cosec theta minus sin theta equals m and sec theta minus cos theta equals n, prove that m square n whole power 2 by 3 plus m n square whole power 2 by 3 equals 1. So here we have cosec theta minus sin theta equals m. So here cosec theta I can write as 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta I can write as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta equals m. So if we'll take LCM here, LCM is sin theta. So 1 minus sin square theta equals m. 1 minus sin square is cos square theta. Cos square theta by sin theta equals m. So you got the m value as cos square theta by sin theta. Now in the same way, the two sec theta minus cos theta equals n is given. Sec theta you can write as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equals n. If you take LCM here, LCM is cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta equals n. So 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta, cos theta is n. Sin square theta by cos theta equals n. See here, 1 minus cos square, I wrote sin square because the identity is sin square plus cos square is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So in place of 1 minus cos square, 1 minus cos square is sin square, 1 minus sin square is cos square. Okay. Now you got the values of m and n. Now what is the question? Question is like m square n whole power 2 by 3 plus m n square whole power 2 by 3. Substitute the values of m and n in this one. So m square, m is nothing but cos square theta by sin theta whole square into n. N is sin square theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3 plus m, that is cos square theta by sin theta into n square. N value is sin square theta by cos theta whole square whole power 2 by 3. Whole power 2 by 3. Now here if you will see cos square whole square, you will get here like cos power 4 theta by sin square theta into sin square theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3 plus here cos square theta by sin theta into here you'll get like sin power 4 theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3. Here see sin square and sin square will get cancelled. Cos power 4 by cos, one cos and one cos will get cancelled. We will be left with cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. Here also, sorry, here sin power 4 by cos square and cos square will get cancelled. Here you will get sin power 4 by sin theta will get like sin cube theta whole power 2 by 3. Now here again 3 and 3 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. You are left with cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. So in this way we need to solve the problem.